situation, they start to call on God. Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96, I'm chilling on my couch watching the Bulls against the Knicks. My honey marches in and asks me if I think I'm slick. It seems she found my shirt with lipstick. I thought I could explain, but then my story wouldn't stick. Incriminating picture showed me with some other chick. It happened once before and she was tired of the tricks. She asked me, can I spell the word of it?
Why me love?
Situation's looking kinda bad.
Why me love?
I lost the best girl I ever had.
Why me love?
I'm homeless and I'm feeling kinda sad.
Why me?